Shanghai, widely regarded as the citadel of China's modern economy, welcomed Hublot's first boutique in Asia on Monday, the 18th of February. Hublot's VIP guests arrived Sunday, the 17th of February in the afternoon. To formally receive the VIP clients, Hublot invited them for a nice dinner at a restaurant called Tan Wai Lu at the Bund 18 in Shanghai. The grand opening took place the next day at Plaza 66. 400 journalists and many personalities came to experience an Hublot event.
It's a very special feeling for me because it was a lot of work behind it. To open something in China of this magnitude is not very easy because there's still a lot of red tapes, there's a lot of hurdles you have to overcome, but finally when you see the results we are very, very pleased.
Hublot's sumptuous dinner followed the opening of the boutique. It was held in the Hyatt Hotel in the Bund, and more than 100 guests attended the dinner.
It is a great event, and I'm very happy to see a real boutique is happening in Asia because I think now it's the trend, and we are looking very much forward to also have a boutique in Taiwan in the near future.
I'm the one of the dealers in Hong Kong. It's wonderful and perfect, and especially when you are in China, in Shanghai, one of the busiest places in China. It's wonderful.
I love watches. Men don't have many accessories, so this is one of the things I love so much is watches, and they use so many different materials in the watch. It's so unique, and it's just more towards my age, I think, really young, and that's what I love about it.
It is a great brand. It's the talk of the town now. I mean, everybody talks about Hublot. Everybody knows about fashion, has some idea about watches. They talk about Hublot.
Shanghai is still the gateway into China. It's a market which is very mature. It's a market where people who live here, they travel around the world. They come in contact with all the famous brands, and they're the first ones who also go for new trends.
Hublot's guests are fine experts in the watch world. Let's find out which Big Bang they prefer.
I'm wearing a Black Magic. This is the great watch, and I love black. Unfortunately, I cannot get all black. Otherwise, I would love to wear all black.
Tonight I have Ice Bang on, and I chose this one because I just like the color combination. I think it's fantastic.
I didn't wear the Big Bang, but I keep my Luna Rossa at home. It's a perfect watch, with good innovations and lovely pieces.
The brand Hublot is widely recognized in the Asian watch industry.